Meet Pascal.
Hi, I brought tea and my arms.
He has one little problem.
Pascal, bro, we talked about this.
Maybe we don't need a hug right now?
No, it's not weird. I'm just anxious. Long hugs regulate my nervous system.
Your nervous system is ruining taco night.
You look very familiar. No, I don't. I told you I am uncoordinated.
Papers, senor?
Usted se parece al del noticiero.
I love empanadas!
In a bedroom full of paper and ideas, two best friends create memories one cut at a time.
Oops.
But when a simple touch sparks something new, they'll discover the greatest masterpiece.
From Disney and Pixar, some cravings take courage and a little trust.
That's the good stuff.
This spring, feed the soul.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Welcome to the glory, but in a town built on hard work, backs are breaking. Easy and breathe. But one chiropractor is bringing them back together.